Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the account and device basics so we can eliminate simple permission mismatches. Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and confirm your Apple Music subscription is active. This authorizes library access. Once done, make sure system and music app updates are applied so authorization checks use current protocols. Also verify family sharing or purchased sharing permissions if content came from another family member, because blocked sharing often triggers the not authorized error. Next, reauthorize access and repair local file issues to restore playback. First, toggle iCloud Music Library, or Sync Library, off then on, and allow the library to rescan so rights metadata refreshes. If specific tracks fail, delete them locally and re-download from the cloud to replace corrupted files. On a Mac or PC, deauthorize the computer in iTunes or Music app. Then sign out and sign back in to reissue device-level authorization tokens. This forces Apple's servers to reassess your permissions. Finally, complete network checks and last resort fixes to clear lingering authorization errors. Restart your device and router to reset network cookies and certificate handshakes, and test on cellular data if Wi-Fi might block Apple services. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID on the device, reboot, then sign back in to refresh tokens. If none of these steps restore access, contact Apple support with device logs and exact error wording so they can check account-side entitlements. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.